Welcome to a new 2-minute lesson. Today's lesson, Common Corrosion Control Systems. For effective corrosion control, carefully consider your assets in the environment in which they exist or interact with. An effective corrosion control program must weigh in the economics, practical impacts, and the combination of available corrosion control measures. Design considerations should address predictable corrosion challenges with a structure. Considerations include the shape of the structures, building materials, elimination of moisture traps, ease of adding corrosion control systems. The environment in which the assets or structure operates or is located is a major impact and influence on whether or how quickly corrosion will become a concern. This is where design considerations really address corrosion risk and being diligent when it comes to using corrosion mitigation solutions. Cathodic protection, or CP as it's known in the industry. CP is a control technique used for the mitigation of metal and materials corrosion. CP can be as simple as using more easily sacrificial metals to act as the anode within the corrosion process. Additionally, the use of an impressed current system or hybrid system can be added at some cost. Protective coatings. Coatings are widely used and considered to be very effective as a corrosion control system when applied properly. Liquid applied coatings can have corrosion inhibitors such as zinc, which provides galvanic protection. Other forms of coatings include galvanizing, electroplating, and thermal spray. The best corrosion control program should utilize many of the strategies that were mentioned in this lesson. This has been another 2-minute lesson. Please check back next Sunday for a new 2-minute lesson. I hope that you find the weekly 2-minute lessons beneficial. If you do have any recommendations, please email me at jim@jimkunkel.com. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this episode. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe today and share my channel information with your professional friends. Have a great day.